Welcome to Lecture 3 for Lesson 18. We'll get it going here. There we go. Present. What is the slope of the demand facing a monopoly? The demand curve facing a monopoly has a negative slope. Since the firm is the sole seller in the industry, the demand curve facing the firm is the demand for the product. Therefore, the demand facing a monopoly conforms to the law of demand. The law of demand says when you increase price, the quantity demanded falls, and when you reduce price, the quantity demanded increases. A monopoly can increase the market price by decreasing production and can decrease price by increasing production. This means, for example, that Pfizer can increase unit sales of Viagra by reducing the price of Viagra and can increase the price of Viagra by reducing the quantity of Viagra supplied in the market. What is the relationship between price and marginal revenue for a monopoly? Price is greater than marginal revenue for a monopoly. When the demand curve has a negative slope, price is greater than marginal revenue, and the marginal revenue curve is always below the demand curve. Let's walk through a quick example using this blue demand curve and the red marginal revenue curve. Notice when quantity is 1, the price is 10. If we multiply price times quantity together, that means we can get total revenue of 10. If the firm sells 1 unit, it can charge a price of 10 and its total revenue will equal 10. If it wants to increase output to 2, it's got to reduce price to 9, which means its total revenue goes from $10 to $18. 2 times 9 is 18. The increase in revenue from increasing output from 1 to 2 is only $8. The increase from 10 to 18. This $8, which I plotted halfway between 1 and 2, because it's the marginal revenue of going from 1 to 2, is below $9, the price at the higher quantity, and it's below $10, the price at the lower quantity. Marginal revenue will always be below the prices for the quantities used to calculate the margin when the demand has a negative slope. The marginal revenue curve is always below the demand curve.